Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Altima key battery. First, ensure you have a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly used for these key fobs. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver. This simple tool will help you carefully open the key fob without causing any damage. Having these two items ready will make the replacement process quick and easy. The first step is to remove the emergency key from your key fob. Look for a small release latch, usually located on the back or side of the fob. Press this latch firmly, and the mechanical key will slide right out. Set this emergency key aside in a safe place, as you will need to reinsert it later. This action exposes the seam where you will begin to open the fob. Now, take your small flathead screwdriver and insert its tip into the notch found at the bottom of the key fob. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small gap, then carefully work your way around to separate the two halves of the casing. Once open, locate the old battery. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry it out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces downward. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Double-check that all edges are flush and the casing is fully sealed. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks, securing it. Your key fob should now be fully functional and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.